Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry ground beef. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, plus your favorite stir-fry vegetables such as bell peppers, broccoli, or snap peas. Don't forget your aromatics like garlic and ginger. Mince them finely. Slicing your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces is key for even cooking, ensuring every bite is perfectly tender crisp. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and quick. Now let's get that ground beef cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large skillet or wok over a medium-high flame. Add your 1 pound of ground beef, breaking it up with a spoon as it cooks. Continue to stir and cook until it's completely browned, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a delicious, non-greasy stir-fry. With the beef browned, it's time to introduce those vibrant vegetables. Add your sliced veggies like bell peppers and onions to the pan with the beef. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a bit of their crunch. Next, pour in your homemade or store-bought stir-fry sauce, ensuring it thoroughly coats all the ingredients. Continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and meld all those wonderful flavors together. Your delicious ground beef stir-fry is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately while it's hot, perhaps over a bed of fluffy steamed white rice or your favorite noodles. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, consider garnishing with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This dish is not only incredibly flavorful but also comes together in under 30 minutes, making it a perfect weeknight meal. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.